Hey guys, I'm really sorry. I just recorded an unboxing video of my TrueAlert 4903-9450 orange Strobe 15 candela, and it is addressable. I recorded me unboxing this, and my phone just decided to have it, and I'm really upset because I wanted to get an unboxing video of this up onto YouTube. But here I am. If my phone acts up like it just did, then I'm sorry it just didn't save. But I'm hoping it does. Yeah. This alarm is brand new. It's brand new. It's never been used, it's never been out of its package. These are the screws. And this is the alarm itself, without the skirt or cover, whatever you refer to it as. I finally got one, and I'm really happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And by the way, actually I forgot what I was going to say, so that's kind of funny. But I'll record a video of me saying this off next time. Oh, now I remember what I was going to say. Okay, by the way, I'm using my phone right now, so that's why it has better sound quality. Like, you can hear me instead of... So, I'm not using my camera because that died. So yeah, that's why I'm using my phone. And even my phone is giving me a really hard time, so... At least I'm recording this right now, so that's all that counts. You guys know I got a TrueAlert horn strobe. Yeah, so yeah, I'm really happy. Alright, have a good rest of the day guys. Have a good weekend.